Okay, hi everyone. Okay, welcome to the Young Education here. Okay, so I'm Jonathan. So today I will discuss for Cambridge IGCSE Additional Mathematics Paper 2 0606/21 October November 2020. Okay, before I start for this paper, okay, please subscribe my YouTube channels first, and then when I update the new video, you can see my new videos. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we start. Okay, now we look at the question one. Okay, solve the equality. Okay, modulus 3x plus 2. Okay, more than 8 plus x. Okay, actually we can using the alternative way solve it. We can put both sides square. Okay, we get 9x squared plus 4 plus 12x more than x squared plus 16x plus 64. Okay, and then we arrange it and plus minus. Okay, so we get answer is net 8x squared negative 4x and then minus 16. Okay, we can divide it by 4. Okay, now we can do for the factorization top. Negative and positive 2x plus 5x minus 3 more than 0. Okay, so we can sketch for graph method. Okay, we can put negative 5 over 2, and then here is 3. Okay, because it say more than 0, so we just put that here above. Okay, that means x should be less than 5 negative 5 over 2 and x more than 3. Okay, after that we see the question 2. Find the coordinates of the points of the intersection of the curve x squared plus xy equals to 9 and the line y equals to 2 over 3x minus 2. Okay, so now we see how to do it. Okay, now I write the equation first. Okay, y 2 over 3x minus 2 I left as first equations, and then x squared plus xy equals to 9. This is second equation. So I take first equation, substitute in second equations. So I can write x squared plus x bracket 2 over 3x minus 2 equals to 9. So I get x squared plus 2 over 3x squared minus 2x equals to 9. So, okay, 1 plus 2 over 3. So I get 5 over 3x squared minus 2x minus 9 equals to 0. So and then I multiply for 3. Okay, 6x and then minus 27 equals to 0. Okay, now what we need to do is factorize, also factorize again. Okay, so 5x, x here, so 3 and 9. So we put here negative and then positive. Okay, so I get the answer is x equals to negative 9 over 1 and one more is x equals to 3. Okay, so please don't forget you need to find the y coordinate. Okay, so we can using this. Okay, y. Okay, just press your calculator. 2 over 3 and then we put negative 9 over 5 minus 2. And one more part for x equals to 3. So y equals to 2 over 3 minus 2. 0. Okay, negative 16 over 5. Okay, so we can write, because the answer one will coordinate form, so we can write negative 5 over 9 over 5, negative 16 over 5, and one more is 3, 0. Okay. Okay, now we look at the next question. Okay, question 3. Okay, like 3 log base nx plus 2 minus log base y is a single logarithm. So how we need to do for this part? Okay, okay, I write the question first. Okay, I get log x3 plus, okay, these two, right, you can write log 10 power 2. This is because log, when base and this number is same, right, they will equals to 1. Okay, I hope guys can understand. Okay, and then minus, okay, log y equals to, okay, we can write, okay, log 100 x cubed minus, oh, actually it's minus and it's divided. Okay, so I hope guys can understand for this part. Okay, now we look at the question 4. Is a given that y equals to ln bracket 3 sine plus 3 cos. Okay, for uh, the range, okay, or we can say range value of x. Okay, first we need to find the dy over dx. Okay, so how we need to do? Okay, it's very easy. First, we just copy sine plus 3 cos, and then we differentiate it for this again, put at numerator. So we get cos minus 3 sine. Okay, so I hope you guys can understand. Okay, now we just look at b. Okay, find the value of the x for which dy dx equals to negative 1 over 2. Okay, so we can copy for this part cos minus 3 sine over sine plus 3 cos equals to negative 1 over 2. Okay. Okay, that's what cos minus 3 sine, okay, equals to negative. Okay, here I put 2. Okay, negative sine x plus 3 cos. Okay. Okay, and then multiply 2 cos minus 6 sine x equals to negative sine x negative 3 cos. Okay, we can make it simple way. Okay, 2 cos plus 3 cos equals to 6 sine minus sine. So we can get 5 sine equals to 5 cos. So we can get tangent equals to 1. Okay. For x equals to 1 over 4, 5. Because when you find the angles is 45, it's actually is equals to 1. But the question already mentioned, we just want find your x value in first quadrant, okay, not others quadrant. Okay, now we look at the question 5. Okay, The first three terms in extensions of bracket a plus bx power of the 5 bracket 1 plus x are 32 minus 208x plus c x squared. So find the value of each of the integers a, b, and c. So you find the a, b, and c, make sure it's integers, it's not in fraction or others form. Okay, original numbers. Okay, so now first we need to do this. We expand this, but not expand at all. Okay, just expand some ways only. Don't need take all. Okay, so a plus bx 5. Okay, so how many we need to take? Okay, we just take three parts, three terms only. Okay, a 5 plus 5c1 a4, and then bx plus 5c2. Here is a3 bx squared plus top. Okay, so we can get 5 a4 bx plus, okay, 10 a power of the 3 b squared x squared. Okay, we just take this part. Okay, multiply for x plus 1. Okay, so we take a5 plus 5a bx plus 10a power of 3 b squared to x plus 1. Okay, and I just take opposite. Okay, 1. So, okay, this multiply, right? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, these three parts. And then you see the purple colors. 1, okay, also multiply in these three parts. Okay, now we can write a over 5 plus 5a4 bx plus 10a cubed b squared x squared, and then plus a power 5x plus 5a4, so bx squared. Okay, we just stop here. Okay, for this last part, you don't need to multiply because here you don't see x cubed. So this part, you don't need to multiply. Okay, so just until here, stop. So now what we need to do is arrange. Okay, a5 plus, okay, you see okay, you see the x, and then this is x squared. Okay, 5a4b plus a5x plus bracket a3b squared plus 5a4b x squared. Okay, I hope guys can understand for this part. Okay, now we go next part. Okay, so we take a power 5 equals to 32. So a power 5 equals to 2 base 5. Okay, base 2 power is 5. So a equals to 2. Okay, now we look at the, I use the alphabet color. Okay, we look at this part. Okay, 5a power 4b plus a power 5 equals to negative 208. So we take 5, 2, 4, b plus, okay, this 32 because it's the same only. Okay, this 18b plus 32 equals to negative 208, and then 80b equals to, and then minus. Okay, so we get negative 240, and then b, we get the answer is negative 3. Okay, now we find the, okay, we already find value a and b, right? Now we need to find the value c. Okay, this is c equals to, okay, I just write as opposite. Okay, c equals to 10a cubed e squared plus 5a power 4e. So equals to, okay, what we get value for a and b, we just substitute it. Okay, 2, okay, negative 3 squared plus 5, 2, 4, negative 3. Okay, you just take your calculator to calculate it and then here. Okay, the answer is 480. Okay, the number is quite so big. So now we look at the next question. Okay, this question you cannot use the calculator. Okay, so I didn't show you how to use the calculator for this question. Okay, in this question, all the lengths are centimeter. Okay, you can see this is the diagram is shown is right angle triangles. Okay, in the diagram above, AC is sub 3 minus 1, AB sub 3 plus 1, angle ABC equals to 15 degrees, and angle of CAB is 90 degrees. Okay, and then show that tangent 15 degrees equals to 2 minus sub 3. Okay, now we look. Okay, tangent 15. Okay, what is the opposite? Opposite is sub 3 minus 1 over, and then this is adjacent. Okay, so sub 3 plus 1. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need rationalizing denominator. Sub 3 minus 1 over sub 3 minus 1. Okay, and here we will get 3 minus 1. Okay, and then here we get 3 minus 2 sub 3 plus 1. Okay, after that we get 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 2 sub 3 over 2. Okay, we get 2 minus sub 3. Okay, so we already showed for this question. If, and then find the exact length of BC. Okay, so now you see this right angle triangle, right? Okay, actually we can relate to the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we can take, okay, BC equals to, okay, we can write square root here, bracket, okay, sub 3 minus 1 square plus sub 3 plus 1 square. Okay, now we do as one step by step. Okay, 3 plus 1, okay, plus 1 minus 2 sub 3. Okay, and then plus 3 plus 2 sub 3, and then plus 1. So equals to, okay, here we just cancel. Okay, 4, and then here plus 4, we get sub 8. So we can get the final answer is 2 sub 2. Okay, we already finished this part. Okay, so we see our next part, question 7. Okay, find the, okay, this is polynomial functions, or we can say cubic function. Okay, find the value of the p bracket, okay, 1 over 2. Okay, it means you just Oh, okay, but you cannot use the calculator, so just write this step. Two bracket 1/8 minus 3 1/4, and then minus 23 1/2 plus 12. Okay, and then after that, we'll see what's the value. We get the answer is equals to 0. Okay, after that, we continue. Okay, write the PS as the product of the three linear vectors and has the solve the PS equals to 0. Okay, so how we need to solve for this part? Okay, first, okay, this is the first part. Okay, this is the second part. Okay, we can using what? Using the long division solve it. Okay, we can write here, okay, 2x cubed minus 3x squared, and then minus 23x plus 12 over, okay, 2x minus 1. Okay, okay, now we can start how to do for this question. Okay, x squared, okay, we can get x cubed minus x squared. Okay, negative 3 minus negative 1. Okay, negative 2 x squared minus 23x. Okay, minus 2x. If not, okay, minus x here, negative 2x squared, and then plus x. So we get negative 24x plus 12. So we can write negative 12 at here. Okay, negative 24x plus 12 over 0. So, okay, so we continue. Okay, px equals to 2x minus 1 x squared minus x minus 12. And then this quadratic factors we can factorize x, 3, 4, a negative and positive. So we can get px equals to 2x minus 1 x plus 3 x minus 4. Okay, so we get three linear vectors here. Okay, now we see for the part 2, okay, how to solve okay, px equals to 0 right? Okay, so we can copy for this px minus 1 x plus 3 x minus 4 equals to 0. So we can get answer is x equals to 1 over 2, x equals to negative 3, and x equals to 4. Okay, we already solved this question. Okay, now we look at the next question. Question 8. The populations in the millions of a country is given by P equals to A multiplied B power T, where T is the numbers of the year after the January 2000 and A and B are constant. In January 2010, the populations were 40 millions and had increased to 45 millions by January 2030. Okay. We see the question A. Show that the B equals to 1.04 to 2 decimal place and find the A nearest integers. Okay. So, okay, now we see how to do for this question. Okay. Okay, see, we can take 14 equals to A multiplied B 10. Okay, why I just take 10? Because we say start is 2000 and then 14 billions at 2010. Okay. So A equals to 14, B 10. Okay, wait, and then next 45 equals to A times B 13. So A equals to 45, B 13. Okay, we can put it together. 14 B 10 equals to 45 B 13. So we get B 3 equals to 9/8. And we get the answer is 1.04. Okay, and then now we need to find the value A. Okay, you can, this got two equation, right? You can take either one to calculate it. Okay, so I'll take this equation 14 over 1.4 10. Okay, is 27. Okay, now we look at the question B. Okay, find the population in January 2020. Give me your answer to the nearest million. Okay, so we just take this equation. P equals to 27 multiply 1.04 is to 20. 27 multiply 1.04 power is 20. So we get the answer is, okay, 50. Okay, we got the answer actually is 59.1 point 2. But not as usual, so we just take 59. Okay, now we see the question 3. Okay, in the January of each year, the population will over 100 million for the first time. Okay, so okay, take 100 here. Okay, A is 27, right? Okay, multiply 1.04 and then this power t. Okay, we see which 1 year will achieve or over 100 million. Okay, I take 100 over 27, 1.04 t. So I take ln 1.04 t equals to ln 100 over 27. So I take t equals to ln 100 over 27 over ln 1.04. So let's see what is the answers here. Okay, because you see it's 33.4. Okay, I just nearest. Okay, is 30 years. Okay, it means which one it will happen is 2034 years. Okay, yeah, I hope guys this part can understand. But also now we look at the next question. Okay, question 9. A particle moves in a straight line such that t seconds after the pass a fixed point O is displacement from the OS, and where S equals to e power 2t minus 10t et and minus 12t plus 9. Okay, A, find the expression for the velocity and acceleration at that. It means velocity is first derivative form and the acceleration is second derivative form. Okay, so V equals to 2e 2t and then minus n e and then minus 12 and then a equals to 4e square minus 10e. Okay, that's it. Okay, Okay, now we look at the next part. Okay, find the time when the particle is instantaneously rest. Okay, so it means V equals to 0. So we take 2e minus 10 e t minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, we can divide it by 2e, 2 square here, and then 5 minus 6 equals to 0. So we can factorize et plus 1, and then one more is et minus 6 equals to 0. So we get et equals to negative 1. This part we just ignore because as we know, range for the exponent function will is more actually is more than 0. It's not less than 0. So this part we just ignore. We get t equals to ln 6. Okay. Question C. Okay, find the acceleration at this time. Okay, so we just take A equals to 4e 2t minus 10e t here. Okay, now we just put this value. 4e ln, okay, 36 minus 10e, okay, this is ln 6, so we will get, okay, 4 bracket 36 minus, okay, ln 6. Okay, 84 meter per second square. Okay. Okay, now we look at the question 10. Okay, the gradient of the normal to the curve at the point x, y is given by x over x plus 1. Okay, A, given that the curve pass the point 1, 4, and show that the equation is y equals to 5 minus ln x and then minus x. Okay, because this question already tells you the gradient of the normal. Okay, this means let me put okay, dy dx equals to negative x plus 1 over x. This part is very important because a lot of person don't know how to get this part. Okay, so I hope you can understand how to get this part. Okay, now we need to find the equation of the curve right? Okay, so y equals to integrate negative x plus, oh, actually it's whole, not one part, okay, whole dx. So integrate negative 1, negative 1 over x, okay, dx equals to negative x, negative ln x plus c. Okay, and then we can using this form. Okay, this part is 4 equals to negative 1, negative ln 1 plus c. So 4 plus 1, and then this is 0 equals to c. So it's so c is 5. So y equals to 5 minus ln x minus x. And then now we look at the next part. Okay, find in the form y equals to mx plus c, the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point where x equals to 3. Okay, the curve is y equals to sorry, 5 minus ln x minus x. And then dy dx equals to negative x plus 1 x. Okay, we can find for how to say gradients. Okay, when x equals to 3, so dy dx equals to minus here 3 plus 1 over 3. So we will get negative 4 over 3. And then we find the y coordinate 5 minus ln what's value 3 minus 3. So we will get 2 minus ln 3. And then we can put y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus minus 1. 2 minus ln 3 equals to negative 4 over 3 x minus 3. So negative 4 over 3x plus 4 and then 4 okay, plus 2 minus ln 3. So we will get y equals to negative 4 over 3 plus 6 minus ln 3 at here. Okay. After we finish this part, so we go to the next question. Okay, the equation of the curve is y equals to x square root 16 minus x squared for 0 between 0 and 4. Okay, so find the exact coordinate of the stationary point of the curve. Okay, so first part, we need to do the derivative. So what rules we can use? Product rules. So 1, okay, just copy back 16 minus x squared plus x, okay, here 1 over 2, okay, 16 minus x squared, negative 1 over 2, negative 2x here, okay, so we can write 16 minus x squared, and then plus, okay, this 2 we can uh, not factorize, okay, negative x squared over, because this negative power is negative, so we can put at denominator 16 minus x squared. Okay, so we can write, okay, we multiply 2 times. Okay, we already finished this part, right? Okay, so we can write 16 minus x squared minus x squared over 16 minus x squared. So last we can get 16 minus 2x squared over, okay, 16 minus x squared. Okay, okay, so we already finished this part. Okay, now we need to find the exact coordinate. Okay, it means we need to find the coordinate now. Okay, so we take dy dx equals to 0, but we just take 16 minus 2 equals to 0, so 2x squared equals to 16, x squared equals to what's the value of 8. Okay, so now we will get the answer is positive, negative to subtract. But the problem is, you see back for this part, okay, this is domains, right? So we just take positive only. We don't take negative. So this, okay, and then we're using this find the y coordinate. Okay, wait a minute now. Okay. So when x equals to 2, set 2 at here. So y equals to 2 sub 2, okay, and then here we just put 16 minus 2 sub 2 square. Okay, we get the answer is okay, 8. So our coordinate of the stationary point is actually 278. Okay, I hope the guys can understand. Okay, so now we'll do the next part. Okay, find the d or ds bracket 16 minus x squared. How is 3 or 2? Hence, elevate area enclosed by the curve y equals to x square root 16 minus x squared, and then the line y equals to 0, uh, x equals to 1, and x equals to 3. Okay, first we find this identity first. So 3 over 2, 16 minus x squared. Here I got 1 over 2, and here what's the value of? Okay, negative 2x. Negative 3x is square root 16 minus x squared. Okay, now we need find the areas on. Okay, area enclosed by the curve. Okay, actually it's equals to integrate x 16x x squared ds. Okay, so we can put negative not negative 1 over 3, and then negative 3 here 16 minus. Okay, okay, I forgot to put upper and lower limit. So what we need to put? Okay, actually we can put 3 and 1. Negative 1 over 3. So okay, after we integrate for this part, because we already solved this part, right? Okay, we can write as 16 minus x squared, 3 over 2, and then 3 minus 3 and 1. Okay, negative 1 over 3, 16 minus 3 squared, 3 over 2. Okay, and then minus 16 minus, okay, 1 squared, 3 over 2. Okay, after that, negative, okay, negative 1 over 3, uh, 7, 3 over 2, and then minus 15 power 3 over 2. Okay, let's see what's the answer. Okay, we get the answer is 13.2 unit square. Okay, now we look at the last question. Okay, already last question. Okay, okay, we see it's actually two circles. The diagram shows a shape considering the two radius of the two circles of the radius 3 cm and 4 cm with the center A and B, which are 5 cm apart. Okay, the circles intersect at the C and the D as shown. Okay, the line AC and BC actually is tangents. Okay, it means here, okay, we can say is 90 degrees are tangents to the circle. So center A and B respectively. So find, okay, tangents, not tangents, okay, the angle CAB in radius. Okay, CAB. It means here. Okay, so what we can use, okay, tangent, okay, angle CAB. Okay, we can using tangent, okay, actually. Or you also want to use sine or cos of a second, no problem. Okay. Okay, you can. You want to using a tangent, so the opposite is 4 over 3 because 3 is adjacent. So angle CAB. Okay, if your calculator setting set as degree form, okay, you can write first, and then don't forget please multiply for pi over 180 degree. Okay, you get the answer is 0.927 radian. Okay, I hope you guys can understand that. Okay, now we can look at you see the space quite long. Okay, so now we see next, B, the perimeter of the world shape. Okay, it means you need to find all the shape here. Okay. You need to find this part and so this part and then also here. Okay, so how we need to find it? Okay, actually you find it as step by step. Okay, here we already got 0.927 right. Okay, this angle we just take pi minus 1/2 pi because that here is 90 degrees and then also minus 0.927. So we get 0.644. Okay, and then now, okay, we need to find for this angle. Okay, because we can just find this part only. Okay, for this part, okay, we can take 2 pi minus 0.927 and then here also 2 pi minus 0.644. Okay, okay. This really is 3 cm, 3 bracket 2 pi minus 0.927 and then plus this one is okay 4 cm 2 pi minus okay 0.6 okay 0.644. Okay, let's see what is the answer. Okay, we can wait a minute. Oh, okay. Actually, I'm so sorry. Okay, I just take the wrong class. Wait a minute. Okay, actually, I forget to take for this part. Okay, because we just calculate for this uh parameters only. So on sorry, so I take from okay. Actually, okay, actually here we take 2 pi minus 2 times 0.644, and then here we take 2 pi minus 2 times 0.927 right here. And then plus 4 bracket 2 pi minus 2 bracket 0.644 right here. Okay, let's calculate what's the answer. Okay, 13.3 plus okay 19.98. Okay, so let's see what's the answer. Okay, 19.98. So we get the answer is 33.3 cm. Okay, now we see look the question C. Okay, uh, the area of the wall shape. Actually, we can calculate in three parts. Okay, first, this is the first part. This is second part, and third part. Okay, so for this triangle, you need to multiply 2 times. Okay, 2 times 1 over 2 times 3 times 4. Okay, and then second we look, okay, we can take 1 over 2, 1 over 2 multiply 3 square r is 3 square, and multiply the angle is 2 pi minus 2 bracket 0.927, and then plus 1 over 2 times 4 square times 2 pi minus 2 0.644. Okay, so we calculate as step by step. 12 plus okay, 19.93, okay, and one more, okay, one more is 39.96. Okay, so now we take 12 plus 19.93 plus 39.96. Okay, we get the answer is 71.9 cm square. Okay, okay. So I already finished for this question. Okay, let me check in. Okay, okay, okay. I already finished this question. Okay, I hope everyone who like see my video. Okay, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Okay, uh, I see you in the next video. Goodbye.